Okay guys, I'm back to square one in this thing, and I'm going to square one with that thing soon. And yes, as you can tell, they are by each other. Those are the old lawnmowers that are not in use. That one's mine. That one's mine. This one starts up and tries to fire up. This one's junk. Well, not junk, but motor junk. It has no battery. As you can see. Oh shoot! Dropped. That's what I dropped. I need to get a new bag, or put the shields in soon. Yeah, no battery. Thinking about putting that battery in that. Just running it as is. But right now. But yeah, that's it. Sitting on this one right now. Choke now has no problem getting pulled down, pulled in. Problem was the cable. When I take this apart, I'm going to have to take this off, take that off. Then when let me use one hand try to get this thing open. Got it. Yeah. May have to take out these two bolts. Those 3 bolts. And I know I'm going to have to take out the gas tank. Then I'm going to have to take out this. That shield's fine. That shield's staying. But yeah, that's that. I need a front emblem put on this, but the other redneck is actually giving me a seat for that. He's got an old Red Cub cadet sitting in the back, all torn apart and stuff. So yeah, that's that. Bugs. Yeah, bugs. Here's where it was sitting. Every night me and the other redneck would come out here. Every night. Well, not every night, but when he comes over, we would come out here and sometimes sleep in the camper. And I know what you're thinking, don't get me wrong. Not the bad kind of sleep, but like this type of sleep. Like that. So, yeah. That's that. That's that too. This is the board. I got the owner's manual for that thing right here. Yeah. Got that thing washed, but I know you can't tell it, but I got it washed. You know, this thing's lighter, or this thing's heavier than that. Watch. One hand. One hand. Ugh, that thing's heavy. There we go. So, yeah. I really gotta go to the bathroom right now. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.